Everyone. I am going to do a hairdryer pour technique over this other painting. This other painting is pretty, but it has no wow factor. You can see it's got pretty colors, but it's got nothing like boom. So I'm going to cover it. And so I'm going to cover this with white, which is my Dutch Boy interior house paint. Ooh, a big flake just fell off. And then I'm going to do puddle, more white, and then use the hairdryer. I should really just be dumping this because this is going to take forever. I haven't used the hairdryer lately because I've been using the air gun, air compressor, or whatever you want to call it. This is definitely the slow way to go about doing this. Bye-bye painting. There's another painting that I'm going to be pouring over short. No, maybe not today. But I keep them around. I used to pour over them like right away, but now I keep them around for a while to see if my views change. And if they don't, then it's a pour over. So there's something. No, maybe not. All right. Where'd my... Okay. There they are. Where did my paper towels go? So I had out like the neutrals, like browns and reds, and now I'm looking and I don't know if that's what I want to do. I'm not quite sure. This is Soho brand Permanent Red. This is a self-mixed, yellowy, gold, iridescent. All right, did I just dribble that whole red out of here without even knowing it? I must have. Let's toss the rest. I have very little copper in here. A little bit of burnt umber. And let's put in a little bit of turquoise. That is a lot of paint. But you need a lot of paint for this. I have tried using an attachment like this. I don't really like it, so I'm not going to. glad I went with those colors. Just going to tilt off the excess. Yeah, there's a lot. Now I am going to use I am losing breath. So I'm going to blow the rest of it out with this. A little carried away right there. I don't like that part, so now I'm just going to move it down. And that probably happened when I wasn't paying attention, when I was tilting it using the straw. And I was not paying attention at all to the rest of the painting. lids are on, and then I'm going to bring you over and show you. Love that. Glad I added that turquoise. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.